गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम लोग यूपी बोर्ड 10th क्लास इंग्लिश मीडियम में जो टॉपिक की स्टडी करने जा रहे हैं वो है ट्रांसपोर्टेशन। पहले हम इस बात को डिक्लेयर कर लें कि ट्रांसपोर्टेशन किसे कहते हैं। देखिए, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कहते हैं किसी एक ऑब्जेक्ट का अदर प्लेस पर ट्रांसफ़र हो जाना, चेंजेबिलिटी ऑफ एनी ऑब्जेक्ट from one place to another place, known as transportation. But the minerals and nutrients transported by plants and other organisms in their body by blood, and also other systems like as respiratory system, excretory system, digestive system, etc. etc. देखिए, circulatory system. The मेटाबॉलिक प्रोसेस ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म रिक्वायर फूड एंड ऑक्सीजन। ठीक है, किसी भी ऑक्सीजन ऑर्गेनिज्म में जो मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटी होती है उसमें जो है उसे एनर्जी की आवश्यकता होती है, और वो एनर्जी जो है वो किससे प्राप्त होती है? फूड से प्राप्त होती है एंड ऑक्सीजन से। टू बी अवेलेबल कंटिन्यूअली इन all parts of its body and that waste to remove promptly. The circulation is intimately associated with all functions of living, and it is one of the integration system. The blood which circulates in circulatory system carries oxygen from the lungs, hormones from the endocrine glands, and absorbed food from the small intestine. It also carries waste product from metabolism to lungs and kidneys. Two types of fluid flow in vessels: blood and lymph. Okay, blood is red colored opaque viscous alkaline fluid of salty taste. It is little heavier than water. In man weighing 70 kg, 5 to 6 liter of blood occupies 1/13 part of the body according to the volume. Blood is derived from mesoderm. Blood consists of two parts: plasma and blood corpuscles. Plasma. It is a pale yellow, straw colored, slightly alkaline, clear, transparent, non-living fluid constituting about 50% part of the blood. Plasma consists of about 90% water and remaining 10% part of several types of organic and inorganic constituents. Organic constituents are following: digested nutrients. These include and product of digestion like as glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, glycerol, phospholipids, vitamins, etc. Excretory materials. These includes ammonia, urea, uric acid, creatine and creatinine, etc. Hormones. These are secreted by endocrine glands. Hormones are present in the minute quantity. The minute quantity of hormones is sufficient for organism. Okay. Proteins. Plasma contain about 7% protein, which is sufficient in dissolved state. These proteins are albumins, globulins, prothrombin, and fibrogen. Prothrombin and fibrinogen are essential for blood clotting. ठीक है, which type of proteins are necessary for blood clotting? Prothrombin and fibrogen. Antibodies occur in the plasma. Enzymes are present in minute quantity, which is sufficient quantity for organism. Enzymes include amylase, lipase, protease, etc. Inorganic substances include gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide and chloride and bicarbonate salt of sodium, traces of phosphates, bicarbonates, sulfates, and iodides of calcium, magnesium, and potassium are also found. Blood corpuscles. Three types of blood corpuscles are present in all vertebrates. There are as follows: red blood corpuscles or erythrocytes, white blood corpuscles or leukocytes, blood platelets or thrombocytes. Okay, now we are going for the study of RBC, red blood corpuscles, okay, or erythrocytes. In man, RBC are biconcave, disc-like, non-nucleated. Nucleus is present in development stage but disintegrates in mature cell. Each cubic millimeter of blood has 55 lakh of RBC in man and 45 lakh of RBC in woman. Lifespan of RBC in man is 50 to 120 days. The nearly transparent cytoplasm of the corpuscles contains a large percentage of hemoglobin, which gives it is yellowish color. White blood corpuscles or leukocytes. White blood corpuscles, it means WBC in the short form, are colorless nucleated cells. They are larger than red corpuscles and their shape is not definite. They are found in spleen and their lifespan is 1 to 2 days. Each cubic millimeter of blood has 6,000 to 10,000 of WBC. White blood corpuscles are classified into two groups. ये इनके ग्रुप्स हैं. First is granulocytes. In these cells, cytoplasm is granular and the nucleus is distinct and lobed. Granulocytes are classified into three groups: eosinophils, second basophils, neutrophils. And the second type of agranulocytes. Granules are not formed in the cytoplasm of these cells. They have a large nucleus. They are of two types: lymphocytes and monocytes. Blood platelets. These cells are small, round and oval, biconcave with granular cytoplasm and non-nucleated. They play important role in blood clotting. Now we are going to study the function of blood. Okay, functions of blood. Blood contains of blood corpuscles and plasma. Since blood continually circulates in the body, it provides a rapid fluid method of communication between all the various body regions. It performs following functions: transport of food materials. The digested food is absorbed by the villi in the small intestine. Glucose and amino acids are carried dissolved in the plasma to the liver and then to all the body parts. Fatty materials are also transported by blood plasma. Transport of oxygen, transport of carbon dioxide, transport of excretory substances, transport of hormones, regulation of temperature, prevention of disease, ठीक है, function of formation of clots. These are the functions of blood. Okay, this point has been completed, and now you will learn it very well and note it very well, because their test is coming soon. Okay, thank you very much.